As businesses scramble to find the best social media platforms for lead generation, one platform is often overlooked: LinkedIn. LinkedIn has always been the dark horse of digital marketing. Massively underutilized and extremely overpowered. With over 900 million members, it's a goldmine of opportunities for generating leads, building relationships, and growing your business. So stick around till the end, because in today's video we'll be discussing the importance of LinkedIn lead generation, its benefits, and how you can optimize your profile and company page for maximum results. Overview of LinkedIn as a platform for lead generation. LinkedIn is a social media platform designed for professionals, and it's different from other social media platforms in many ways. Unlike Facebook or Twitter, LinkedIn is focused on creating a professional network that allows people to connect with others in their industry or profession. As a result, LinkedIn is an ideal platform for B2B marketers looking to generate leads and build relationships. One of the primary benefits of LinkedIn is that it allows you to target a specific audience based on their job title, industry, company size, location, and other criteria. This makes it easier to reach decision makers and build relationships with potential clients or customers. Additionally, LinkedIn is a platform that encourages users to share valuable insights and information related to their industry, which can help build credibility and establish thought leadership. Another benefit of LinkedIn is its Groups feature, which allows users to connect with others who share their interests or work in their industry. Joining relevant groups or engaging in conversations can help you establish relationships with potential leads and get your brand in front of a wider audience. LinkedIn also offers advertising options, such as sponsored content and sponsored in-mail, which can help you reach a larger audience and generate leads at scale. Additionally, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a powerful tool for sales professionals, providing advanced search filters, lead recommendations, and other features that can help you find and connect with potential clients. To make the most of these opportunities, you need to optimize your profile and company page and create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile and company page. Your LinkedIn profile is the first thing that potential leads will see when they search for you or come across your content. Therefore, it's important to optimize your profile to ensure that it stands out and presents you as a credible, trustworthy professional. Here are some tips for optimizing your LinkedIn profile. 1. Use a professional profile picture. Your profile picture is an essential part of your LinkedIn profile. Make sure to use a high-quality professional headshot that reflects your brand. Avoid using selfies, group photos, or photos with distracting backgrounds. Your profile picture should be a close-up shot of your face with a neutral background. It's also important to smile and make eye contact in your photo, as this can help to establish trust and make a positive first impression. 2. Write a compelling headline. Your headline appears directly under your name on your LinkedIn profile and is one of the first things people will see. Your headline should be a summary of your skills and expertise that captures people's attention and encourages them to learn more about you. Make sure to use keywords related to your industry or niche to help you appear in LinkedIn search results. For example, instead of simply listing your job title, you might use a headline like "Experienced Marketing Manager, Driving Growth Through Innovative Strategies." 3. Craft a powerful summary. Your summary is an opportunity to showcase your experience, skills, and achievements, and demonstrate your value to potential clients or customers. Make sure to keep your summary concise and focused, using clear and easy-to-understand language. Highlight your most important accomplishments and experiences and make sure to tie them back to your overall value proposition. You can also use your summary to express your passion for your work and give readers a sense of your personality and values. 4. Showcase your skills and endorsements. LinkedIn allows you to add up to 50 skills to your profile. Make sure to highlight the skills that are most relevant to your target audience. You can also ask colleagues and clients for endorsements to further establish credibility. Endorsements can help to show that you have the skills and experience necessary to succeed in your field and can give potential clients or customers the confidence to work with you. 5. Include relevant work experience. Your work experience should be detailed and relevant to your target audience. Make sure to highlight any achievements or projects that demonstrate your skills and expertise. Use bullet points to break up large blocks of text and make it easier for readers to scan your profile. Use action verbs to describe your accomplishments and focus on the results you achieved rather than just your responsibilities. 6. Use keywords strategically. Using relevant keywords throughout your profile can help you appear in LinkedIn search results. Make sure to include keywords related to your industry, niche, and target audience. For example, if you're a freelance writer specializing in health and wellness, you might include keywords like health writing, wellness content, and freelance writer. Avoid overusing keywords, however, as this can make your profile seem spammy or robotic. In addition to optimizing your profile, you should also optimize your company page if you have one. Here are some tips for optimizing your LinkedIn company page. 1. Use a professional logo. Your company logo is the first thing people will see when they visit your LinkedIn company page, so it's important to make a good impression. Make sure your logo is high quality, easily recognizable, and consistent with your brand identity. Using a professional logo will help establish credibility and make your company more memorable to potential leads. 2. Write a compelling company description. Your company description is your opportunity to showcase your brand's unique value proposition and explain what sets you apart from competitors. Keep in mind that your description should be concise, engaging, and easy to read. Make sure to highlight your company's strengths, what you do, and what you can offer to potential leads. 3. Showcase your products and services. LinkedIn allows you to feature your products and services on your company page, so take advantage of this feature to showcase your offerings. Focus on the products and services that are most relevant to your target audience and highlight the benefits that your offerings provide. Make sure to include high-quality images, descriptions, and any other relevant information to make your products and services stand out. By optimizing your profile and company page, you can make it easier for potential leads to find and connect with you on LinkedIn. Creating engaging content on LinkedIn. Once you have optimized your profile and company page, the next step is to create engaging content that attracts and converts leads. Here are some tips for creating engaging content on LinkedIn. 1. Share valuable insights. LinkedIn is a platform where professionals come to learn and grow, so sharing valuable insights related to your industry or profession can help you establish yourself as a thought leader and demonstrate your expertise. This can be done through articles, posts, or even comments on other people's content. You can share your own experiences, offer advice or opinions, or provide analysis of industry trends and news. 2. Use multimedia. Adding images, videos, and other multimedia to your content can help you make it more engaging and visually appealing. This can help capture people's attention and encourage them to engage with your content. You can use images and videos to showcase your products or services, share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business, or even just add some personality to your posts. 3. Leverage hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to make your content more discoverable to people who are interested in your industry or profession. By using relevant hashtags, you can help your content appear in search results or in the feeds of people who are following those hashtags. You can research which hashtags are popular in your industry or create unique hashtags to promote your brand. 4. Use LinkedIn polls. LinkedIn polls are a great way to engage your audience and gather insights on specific topics. You can use polls to get feedback on your products or services, ask for opinions on industry trends, or even just ask fun questions to get people engaged. Polls are easy to create and can provide valuable insights that can help inform your content strategy. 5. Be authentic. Showcasing your personality and being yourself in your content can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. This can help build trust and make it more likely that people will engage with your content. Don't be afraid to inject some humor or personal anecdotes into your posts, as long as they're relevant and appropriate for your audience. Remember, LinkedIn is a professional platform, so it's important to keep your content relevant and professional. But don't be afraid to show your personality and inject some creativity into your posts. Examples of successful LinkedIn lead generation campaigns. To inspire and guide your efforts, here are some real-world examples of successful LinkedIn lead generation campaigns. 1. HubSpot. HubSpot is a leading provider of marketing, sales, and customer service software. To promote its free marketing tools, HubSpot used LinkedIn-sponsored content. The campaign targeted B2B marketers and generated a 400% increase in leads compared to previous campaigns. The key to the success of this campaign was the use of high-quality content that provided value to the target audience. HubSpot also used LinkedIn's sponsored content feature to promote a free ebook on the topic of social media marketing. By targeting users who had already shown an interest in marketing automation, HubSpot was able to generate over 5,000 leads at a cost per lead of just $11.81. 2. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media management platform that helps businesses manage their social media accounts. To promote its platform, Hootsuite used LinkedIn to target social media managers and marketers. The campaign resulted in a 2.7 times increase in volume and a 1.6 times increase in lead quality, demonstrating the importance of using the right platform to reach the right audience. Hootsuite also used LinkedIn InMail to promote a free trial of their software to targeted decision makers in the marketing industry. By personalizing its message and offering a free trial, Hootsuite was able to generate a 30% conversion rate and increase its sales pipeline by 26%. In conclusion, mastering LinkedIn lead generation requires a combination of optimizing your profile and company page, creating engaging content, and leveraging LinkedIn groups, advertising, and Sales Navigator. By following the tips and tricks outlined in this video, you can attract and convert leads on LinkedIn and grow your business. So what are you waiting for? Implement these LinkedIn strategies today to increase your online sales and achieve your business goals.